Today I'm going to show you how to create the dot stitch, and this is a textured knitting pattern that creates small raised dots on fabric. It's simple yet decorative, and it's often used in projects like blankets, scarves, and baby clothes for added texture. For this example, I'm going to be using size 11 or 8mm needles, and I'm also using a number 6 super bulky yarn. We're going to be working in multiples of 7 stitches plus 1. In my example, I have a total of 14 stitches plus 1, which equals 15 stitches. Let's start with row 1. We're going to knit 1, and then we're going to purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then we're going to purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, and 3, purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, and then knit 1. We've completed row 1, so now we're going to turn our work, and for row 2, you're simply going to just purl all of the stitches. Row 2 is complete. So now we're going to turn our work and start with row 3. Row 3 is a little bit similar. We're going to knit 3, then purl 1, knit 3, 2, 3, purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 1, and then knit 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work. Row 3 is complete, so now we're going to finish up with row 4. All you're going to do is purl all the way to the end of the row. And row 4 is complete. And there you have it, the dot stitch. Repeat rows 1 through 4 as many times as you need in order to complete the dot stitch.